Hey Cakenistas, hello Cakenistas. Hey Cakenistas, 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 hey Cakenistas. Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. It is New Year's Eve. This is a special video because we are going to be taking a look back at 2019. We've done so many great cakes. We've had a lot of fun times. We've laughed, we've sang, we've done so much. So we're gonna take a look back at 2019. We're gonna do a YouTube rewind of Marisha's Couture cakes. This year was great because I started my own version of storytelling, or cake tales as I like to call it. Boy, do I have some cake stories to share with you guys. I'm minding my business. She made a sharp turn in the car and the whole thing just fell over. I mean, technically, I do make and sell cakes. I was able to fix that cake for her. Then you have to work on this cake. We want this cake. She said, I can give you 150. He wants superheroes and he's gonna get it. She gives him the phone and she's like, ask her for your cake. Am I gonna get my cake? Reesh, is it kind of leaning to one side? That bad boy started to fall over. When I say dripping sweat, so now I look like I'm just bathing, just showering. And I said, it's time to go, girl. Congratulations, because you won. Congratulations. I wanted to say, skirt. You could try to kidnap me. Marisha. I talked to my husband. You could kidnap me for all he knows. If I ever wanted to kidnap a person, payola would be the last one. I have to have my family into my videos. And this year, you guys got to meet my brother in the chicken and waffles prank video. That was so funny. It get hard. Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever you say, I feel bamboozled.
Literally, he's still like a little bit traumatized. Whenever I give him food, he's like, Reesh, is it cake or is it food? And I'm like, what do you mean? It's food, of course. You guys got to finally meet my big sister. That's my sister. And of course, as always, my madre. Hey, it's Marisha.
And her mom. Don't call me out.
Rice last week. Yeah, rice.
Don't call me out.
Been here before.
You must keep this over your eyes and do not peek.
Like the...
I start laughing. If you look, the cake will fall apart.
You got an African accent.
It's all over the place.
Being her crazy, weird, fun, amazing self. Thank you guys so much for the comments whenever you like say hi to her or say she's funny. She enjoys them. Thank you guys so much. A lot of y'all, I found out, are actually bakers, or you had a business, or you're trying to make a business, or you're just doing it as a hobby, but you would like to sell some things on the side. So I did some things dedicated for you guys this year. Call it a hobby, but could definitely use some money on the side. But you're not quite sure where to start. You've come to the right channel. Class is in session. It's word of mouth. You can start a blog for free before you actually purchase a domain. Research, get inspiration. 1 cup of water equals 8 ounces of water. 1 cup of sugar is what, like 7.2 ounces? 5 point something ounces. To come up with the unit cost, we must first divide the whole thing into the ounce. So that is 50 pounds times 16 ounces. We got business savvy. Speaking of goals for 2019, baby girl lost some weight. She gained a little bit for the holiday season, but that was in there. Like, that was planned. That was like, I'm gonna just pause. But anyway, we gained, I mean, not only did we lose weight, but then we danced about it. I have officially lost over 100 pounds. I lost that Thanksgiving weight. The beat would just come in. When I was little, when people would say like, what do you want to be? When I say little, I mean like by teenage years. I was like, Beyonce. It's kind of a verb, Beyonceing, if you will. Just being able to sing, dance, act, make cakes. What is dancing without singing? It's been so long since she's been gone. It's just the bill that we glue on the Polar Express. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. Happy birthday. I sound like Luther Vandross. Me. We came into 2019 with steak and potatoes and broccoli. We couldn't stop at the steak and potatoes, no. We had to go into General Tso's chicken. Nachos, which are still hanging around, don't ask me why, it's been weeks. Spaghetti with a floating fork. This was my favorite cake. What do you guys think of the hat and the dramatic eyes? I even contoured just a little bit right there. See that? That's what I do, you know? Couture and a genie cake. Bye guys. Couture and a gingy cake. Couture and macaron cookies. Couture and a number 4 cake. Couture and a dinosaur cake. Couture and an ice cream cone gender reveal cake. Couture and a fault line cake. Bye guys. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my channel, for being wonderful, for being cakenistas. Literally, you guys, and I feel like this is so rare. I don't think I've received one negative comment. Literally, not this year, not last year. It's like you guys just have genuine love for me in your heart, and I have so much love for you guys. A lot of us, we connect on social media now. We talk whenever. Some of us are like friends on Facebook. We are just a whole family, and I really appreciate it. I'm getting heartburn just thinking about it. I am getting heartburn. Probably because I'm cooking some turkey wings. And sometimes the smell of food gives me heartburn. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Press on the notification bell to get all of the notifications for this channel. We are going to keep on climbing our way to the top. If you guys have any ideas, let me know down below what I should be doing for 2020. I can tell you that I have some challenges coming up. I have, of course, cakes. Come on. I am on Etsy, so if you guys need any of the cake toppers that you have seen online on this channel, just go to etsy.com/shop/Marisha's Couture Cakes. I will see all of you. I got a Fitbit for Christmas in 2020, and Happy New Year, you all. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna still say Merry Christmas until by January 5th I'll be done, maybe. I love y'all. Bye, cakenistas. That literally scary spice in the front with that hot pink one. I just feel like this is the struggle right here, because we've all gone through it. But once you get it out of there, it is so beautiful and so gorgeous. I made the mistake of tasting this Dolce de Leche, and then I got kind of addicted, and it was really bad. It was really bad, you guys. But anyway. I don't know the words. We forget. Bye.